Are you facing of these problems? Vehicle goes limp mode, vehicle runs under reduced power, vehicle no start condition, in the sense crank but doesn't start, or vehicle stops running while driving. If you face any of these problems, you please go through our videos and then get your solutions to fix your car problems.
We Chennai Car Tech are automotive electronic professionals expertise in testing your car with advanced and latest testing tools and fix the problems. Our specialty is servicing multi-band premium cars like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, Skoda, etc.
Dear viewers, let us see case study for the problem of vehicle goes limp mode, vehicle runs under reduced power, vehicle no start condition, in the sense crank but doesn't start, and then vehicle stop running while driving. The case study car is SX4. So now we are scanning the car. We find P0607 control module faulty in the car, and similarly when we scan in the control module, we find there is a communications error. See here, lost communication with the ECM PCM. So from this we conclude the car has ECM problem, in the sense the ECM has internal processor issue. So now we have come to the conclusion to change the ECM. So now we replace the ECM after the scanning report conclusion. So using the special tool, we read the 20-digit pin number from the ECM. From that we did programming. See, you can see the icon is blinking. This is because of we changed that ECM. So now we are programming using the special tool. Now the process is going on. So when we are programming, this key icon is, you can see, blinking. So once that the program is success, that blinking will stop. See, now there is no blinking, so the key program is success. Now you can see the vehicle started.
Want to know about our services? Call us at the number in screen, WhatsApp or email. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss the update.